It's here. Sit back, relax, and let's go. Alright, we're back with another Transformers masterpiece. This time it's the second Constructicon, Fan Toys WRIGHT. Here we have the box. Nice box art. The box is the same size as the Jerry box. Let's get into it. All right. Here we got the manual, card. Oh, backwards. Alright, let's start with the little things. Alright, so we got the gun. There's the gun. It's got a bit of a sheen on it. Maybe like a gunmetal gray. And then we have the bugle, just like the last one. Solid metal. All right, and here we have WRIGHT. So I noticed the green is the same as the other, with a little bit of the iridescent green. The purple has a little bit of a sheen, maybe a little bit of iridescent to it. Weight wise, it's heavy, but it's not as heavy as Jerry. Jerry's definitely heavier. You can totally notice. It's a little bit lighter than Jerry. More than a little bit, actually. So let's see what we got here. The crane. Goes down. That goes that way. Zoom in here. Head turns all the way around. Back, forward. Arms. That's as far as they go that way. Obviously they go all the way down. Twist that way. That way, that way. You spin, hand spin, of course the fingers. It's a bit stiff. body turns that way. It's about as far as it goes. That way. Legs all the way up. Go a little bit more if you have the flap up there. And this way, back here, as far as they go. As far as they go that way. They bend this way, all the way back there. This one only goes that far. Now this one goes more. Feet all the way up. Put in place. Legs swivel that way. You zoom out of it. So there you have it. What's going on with this leg? Oh, these snap. There you go. So those snap that way and that way, probably to transform. That's probably why I couldn't get it all that one leg all the way. It wasn't all the way in. So I bet you know. Let's see here. It's all the way back. Nope. Still, that leg only goes that way. Must be this area here. This one's a lot more loose than this one. This one's a lot different. It's different construction though. Let's see here and here. It looks different than that one. Anyways, there he is. Let's take a look at the manual. And here's the card. Height-wise, there's Jazz. Zoom out. So here's height comparison to Jazz. It's quite a bit taller. It's a lot thicker. Okay, here it is transformed. And the arms were really difficult to transform. I wasn't able to get a perfect fit. I didn't want to break it. Maybe it'll get better as it loosens up a bit. But I could not get these notches here totally in. That was the best I can do. And it took me a while. But getting these arms put into here and here is very difficult. Too difficult, if you ask me. But here it is done. It looks all right. A little bit basic. This right here, that's the fist. That's Devastator's fist. So I'm not sure, maybe if it's a little bit too high, that's maybe when I do the next transformation, I'll figure it out. But there you go. Alright, now let me go ahead and transform it into the arm. Hopefully that is going to be a lot easier than this was. Alright, so transforming the arm was easier, but putting on this black piece here for the hand, that's a bit of a challenge. I can't still get it perfectly on here. Got to go into these little pegs here, and I'm just having a hell of a time trying to get it on there. So I just decided to just skip it for now. So, but yeah, this black part here is gray black metallic. It's a really nice finish on there. And so there you have it. So articulation wise, you got that. That spins. The hand spins. Of course the finger's all open. It's pretty cool seeing this huge hand though. There it is. So, here we are in both of them. Let me zoom a little bit here. I think I had a better experience with Jerry. This one was a bit frustrating. We'll see how the other ones go. But at the end of the day, we're all trying to build a Devastator army. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.